Hey, thanks for watching another unboxing video. I have no idea what this box is. I just found it. It has to be a shirt. It has to be something. It's not, definitely not a sneaker. But I really don't know what this is. Let's do a quick opening of this. Maybe I'll be surprised. Maybe not. I definitely have no idea what this is. No, I forgot. There's one more piece of tape. One more piece of tape. All right, let's do this again. There's not really editing in this. I'm just gonna just do it just. All right. That should do it. Let's see here. Oh, oh my goodness. I completely forgot. I saw Atlanta, Georgia, and I'm thinking, Atlanta, Georgia? What I order from Atlanta, Georgia? Wow, this has been actually a month, maybe over a month that this has been in the box. As you can see, this is coming from Saks. Let me get this out the way. That's not necessary. I tried it on and I loved it. And you know, it's got some opinions, of course. I'm not gonna show that because I'm gonna keep this anyway. This is mine. Yeah. All right. Maybe you could see, maybe you could tell what it is by the look of it. Maybe not. All right. So let's just show this. Let's get this party started. Maybe if you hear some sounds in the back, I'm sorry. That's just the sounds. All right. This is Fear God. And just so you know, just let me get this over here straight. It's Fear God, and the inside you have this fleece material. I'm not sure you can see it clearly. I'm trying to have as much lighting as possible. And it's like a 3/4 length sleeve. As you can see, the sleeves are massive, which I love the baggy look. Jerry Lorenzo. Goodness, dude. Goodness. Yeah, no, I love this shirt. I remember trying it on. I'm like, you know what? I want to get it, but then I was able to get a good deal on it, and this sealed it. Now, this is nice, flexible. This is a cotton. Again, the Fear of God over here in the front. I mean, if I could stand it up, it's pretty long actually. In the back, you do have the stitched in Fear God over here. As far as that, hopefully it makes it clear. Yeah, now this sweater has a nice oversized look. What size is this actually? I forgot. Let me look. I'm trying to find the tag now for this. I mean, you know, this is my first official Fear God. Not essential. This is Fear God actually. Very excited. What's the size on it? Is it on the tag? I'm trying to figure this out. I'm trying to think like what the size on this is. I went oversized. I know that. I'm thinking 2. I think I went 2X on this. And that's why I liked it so much, because it had like a nice, wait. Oh, I just tore the whole receipt out. Sizing. Yeah, extra large. Okay, no, sorry. It's not 2X, it's extra large. Yeah, no, I love this. I love this. I love the look. I just love the simplicity of it. It goes great with the pair of jeans I have. I wish I would have had the sandals to go along with it. Here you have the Fear God branding tag on it. I wish I had the Californias. I ended up getting the Californias in the kid size. Yeah, that's not gonna fit. But yeah, this is a very nice long sleeve sweater. No, I'm sorry, short sleeve cut sweater. because this is really a sweater. If you can look at the material on the inside, it has this fleece. It's good for this weather. And I always would find myself just pulling my sleeves up. You know, you go. So this is like, I mean, and the cut on this, amazing, brilliant. So yeah, guys, check out the channel. Please watch the videos at the end. Please support the channel. It's just me. I do the videos on my own when I get a chance, and I try to make the best out of it. I don't really have much space to work with, which makes it many times difficult as far as that. Again, the crew neck. And you have this, you know, these little details. You see this right here? It's like almost like tucked in. It's like a nice, like luxurious look to it. Anyways, I keep on going. But yeah, check out the channel. You know, check out the other videos. Have sneaker videos, other videos. Try to do variety stuff. Make it fun. Maybe one day I'll do action figures, whatever it is. You know, it's all just to create content that can reach to across different demographics, and hopefully it makes a difference for someone who's looking, or you know, kind of shopping. And if they want more details, I'll do the best I can to get back to you. I have stuff in storage, and then I have other stuff here, and at times it's tough because of the room I have and also the work I do, so I kind of squeeze this in between. I don't really have much time, but I appreciate everybody who watches the videos, takes their time, and does a lot. So it means a lot to me because I put time into this. Support the channel, and right now the only way I want support right now is getting as many subscribers as possible. And I greatly appreciate everybody who watches the videos. You have no idea how it, you know, I feel about that. So, you know, and many times I get the comment and it helps someone out. I'm glad, because that was the whole purpose of the channel. Yeah. So hopefully you guys liked it. This is Fear God. I can't remember the official name, but it's a sweater. It's a short sleeve, 3/4 sleeve sweater, if I'm right. And again, if you look at the sweater, it's the sleeve is massive. Look at this. I know, you know, on camera you can't, but trust me, if you see it, if you're in New York, or if you go to a Saks or so on and so forth, maybe Nordstrom's, even Marcus's, any place that carries them, if you look at the pictures online, you'll see, and you'll love it. If this is your style, if you're about, you know, pulling up your sleeves in the winter and cold days and so on and so forth, excellent sweater to get. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed the video and helped out in some way. I know it was brief. Didn't have much place to put it up because I'm rearranging stuff again. And thanks for watching, and always dedicate these videos to my family, my friends, and all the people who watch the videos. I appreciate all you guys. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you guys soon.